YouTube. Back at the crib. See my son, my two sons right there. It's Bronx and Cam.
Yes, sir.
Back at the crib. Get the hair up. Vacation is officially over. The last 2 weeks, y'all know I'm at the Panama City. Cancun, Mexico. A week there. Had a great time. My wife turned 40. Now it's back to reality, right? Today I want to do a lightweight what's sold. You know, decided to do it because I turned my eBay. I actually turned my eBay store all the way off. All right, I turned off. I didn't do no handling, shipping. I just turned it off completely. I mean, no sales, no nothing. Starting on a fresh slate. So I turned it on Sunday as I was coming back, and I got like 6 sales, man, right off. Bing, 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 bing. Hey, I was excited because, you know, I heard that when you do that, you kind of mess up stuff and it takes a long time for your stuff to get back. But I guess if you got stuff that's good, hey, people buy, right? So anyway, thank you for tuning back to the channel. And if this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, Goodwills. I already said thrift stores. Anyway, you name it, I go there and I buy stuff low, sell it high on eBay. All right, but not high, but at least to make a profit. You know what I'm saying? And if you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up. You understand what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I forgot how to do this little video thing. I'm actually on my M50 because the GoPro, as a lot of y'all know by watching the last video, decided to have a heart attack. I kind of, you know, my GoPro has been through a lot. It's been through the ocean. This is the 7. I was going to get the 8, but I said, you know what? I think the 9 is about to come out later on this year. So I'm just going to try to, this is going to have to give me a couple more months, all right? Because I'm not going to buy the 8 and then the 9 come right out. That'd be dumb, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, let's get into what's sold, all right? First thing to sold, well, let's go by order what I got up. Are these are actually Sony Handycam Mini DVD RW. You can't see it because I already got packed up. I'll put it on the screen. I had 5 packs of them. All right, I had them all in one listing. One person bought all 5 of them. Sent me an offer for 100. I went back at 110 and free shipping, and they took it. The next thing I sold is this game called the Sonic Riders. It's a GameCube game. These GameCube games tend to do pretty good. It sold for $24.99 plus shipping. Buys about a little over $30, right at $30 on this game. So that did good. Next thing I sold was this Sega game. Y'all remember Sega Genesis back in the day? This one's called Comic Zone. It actually sold for $24.99. Free shipping, man. That's pretty good. I mean, this game came out back in 1990, I believe, something like that. Great buy. And I got this, of course, all these games y'all see, I got that in the big game lot that y'all seen, which I'm going to show you some of the stuff today. And also, I'm going to go through, because I've sold a bunch of games so far, I'm going to go through and do a video on all the games that I've sold and what they sold for, because I did pretty great on that lot, I'm not going to lie. Next thing I sold was this Pokemon. It's a Nintendo DS game, and it sold for $14.99 free shipping. So that was a great buy, and I got that at the same lot. Next thing I sold was this Caroline, and shout out, let me pull this up. It's the, well, let me talk about it first. Sold for $36.99 plus shipping. I got this actually at Gimme 5. So I was about $5 into this, and it sold for, oh, the buyer's about 40 something dollars. Y'all see it on the screen. Y'all can add it up if y'all want to. Into this. And this is a viewer, and let me go and see if I can find her email. Alright, this is from a viewer, and I'm gonna go ahead and show her because her name is KT95. Shout out to her. She just said, wanted to just say I'm loving your channel. Pretty new eBay seller here. My store is Recommerce Creative. Creative. Thank you for all the amazing content, and I hope you have a wonderful vacation. Take care, KT. Shout out to KT. Go check her channel out. Not her channel, but her store out. I don't believe she has a YouTube channel. She didn't mention it. But yeah, she purchased this Caroline, or whatever you call this. What's it called? It's called a Pro Ceramic Tools Porcelain Soft Bristle Hot. I don't know. You girls know about this stuff. And guys too, I'm sure, but not me. But anyway, I told y'all what that sold for. So yeah, that's what I sold. Pretty good day, being that I didn't turn my store on till Sunday afternoon, and I got these sales yesterday, and I actually got some sales today that I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to ship out because I gotta go to work at 2 o'clock. I go vacation, I gotta go back to work, go on another vacation, gotta go straight back to work. Work kills me, but I guess you gotta work, right? Want to kind of show y'all some of these games. A lot of people wanted kind of a detailed look on these games. Just wanted to show y'all some, you know, I mean, kind of broke, because when y'all seen it the first time, they was all in a bin and they wasn't really spread out. Want to show you, and these are just what I got now. I've sold a lot of them, you know, some of the big names. I still got some big names left. I had multiples of the big name games. I mean, the GameCube games, the Nintendo 64 games, that's where it's at a lot of the time. I mean, it's a lot of the Super Nintendos and Segas that do good. So I mean, this just depends on what game it is, I guess. So, yeah, man, so let's just do a little overview. Here's some of the DS games that I got left. I've sold a lot of DS games. Some of the GameCubes. Pitfall, Final Fantasy, Mario Kart 7, you know, Mario Golf. Those are a lot of the GameCube games. Here's some GameCube, I mean, dude had a bunch of GameCube games. Ratatouille, X-Men, what kind of focus, Dave? Sonic 2 on the Genesis. Here's some more of these Paperboy. I mean, big games. This GameCube Paper Mario, I had a couple of these that I've sold. Let's see, Beyblades, Pikmin, Pokemon XDS, another big one. I had 2 of those. Gears of War. That one's a big one on Xbox. The actual pack. That's the, what you call it? Anyway. Rob the Robot. That's a nice one. A lot of these I haven't listed, man. As y'all know, I got this game like right before I went on vacation, so I wasn't able to list anything for real. I mean, I listed what I could, but not really. You know, I try to list a lot of the big names. I'm just kind of letting y'all look. I'm not gonna name all of them. I know some of y'all wanted kind of a look at what we had, what I had. Shaq Fu, remember that? Actually, there's a Kenny kit in here for Super Nintendo. It's crazy. I haven't even looked that up. I don't even know. Got a bunch of Super Marios on Nintendo. Some more DS games. Got some Atari games under there too, y'all can see. I mean, Atari games really don't do too good, but there are some big name Atari games too, man, if you can find them. Some more GameCube. Dragon Ball Z, Blood Omen 2, Zelda, another big name, Mario Sunshine. I had 3 Mario Sunshines, man. Can y'all believe that? And let me turn myself around real quick. For those of y'all, if this is your first time watching this video, I will link the video of this haul. It's funny as heck. The dude is crazy, and I got a great deal, man. All this stuff, this is just the games. I will go upstairs and show y'all some of the other stuff, but I wanted to do that in a separate video. But I paid $1,000 for all this stuff, man. This and way more. I mean, I got about 10 GameCube consoles, 8 Nintendo 64 consoles. I don't know, 12 Segas. I got 70 consoles in all, just alone, 70. So Sega Saturn, Super Nintendos, I mean, all kinds of stuff. So I did pretty good. Let's go around here real quick. Some of the Nintendo games. I'm just doing it because some people want to see some of the titles. There's a lot of game collectors that follow me, and I follow a lot of them too. So I really don't have this out good enough to where you can see anything. And y'all can see it. It's just my phone's acting, camera acting like it don't want to focus. Dragon Ball Z cars. There's some more of the Atari games. E.T., Star Master, Tennis. I even got, what's this, the what they call it, the transfer pack for the Nintendo 64. Two of those. Pokemon Snap. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. These are some of the stuff I got at the estate sale the other day. I even got it up. A portable Sega Genesis. This is not that old though. This came out, I think, 2015. Something like that. but it's about $100 piece. It's brand new. Blade to Steel. Oh, I got stuff over here. Sega CD. I got some Sega CD games right there too. So yeah, man. Just a little overview of what came in. I mean, it's a lot of big names here, boy. I mean, I could put 10 games together, and that right there pays for the whole lot. I got 10 $100 games in here that pays for the whole lot. So, great deal, man. Just kind of wanted to show y'all that, show y'all what I had, and your boy's about to get crazy. And what I decided to do is just like, I really got this from Cincinnati Picker, but I haven't did it yet. But what made me think about it again is Part-Time Picker. He did an accountability board, and I did one myself. Bing. I gotta write something else on there real quick. Hold up. My wife wanted to write. My wife wanted to know if she could put stuff on the accountability board, but if I let her do it, man, there'd be stuff everywhere on her. I said, nah, don't touch it. All right. So let's see. 6. She just told me what I need to do. New toilet seat.
Oh, come on, man.
My kids broke the toilet seat in the basement. So there we go. Now I'm gonna try to list 10 things a day this week. I'm not gonna be able to list till I get off work tomorrow because I'm about to go to work now. It's just been a crazy day, crazy morning. My air was out last night. When I came home, it was about 90 degrees in here. I had to fix that. So that's not on here no more. It was just a capacitor, so I just changed that and boom, cut back on. And clean my garage, clean my basement. You know, I got some taxes I have to do. New toilet seat, order ink, mail pallet. I mean, just something to make sure that I do stuff right, and I'm gonna do it weekly. So all the stuff you see on here, I gotta do this week. I'm trying to list 10 things a day as well. All right, because I got, come on, get up out of my face. I got a lot of stuff I need to list. All right, so yeah, man, this is not no crazy video. This is just to let y'all know that I'm back. Let me go in my garage and show y'all guys what I'm talking about as far as the, I don't know if y'all can see, but this light turn, let me see if this light's plugged in. Yeah, it's plugged in. Look at that. I think I already showed y'all all this. See, I still got this stuff to go through. I gotta unravel all that. I'm probably gonna sell these Ataris in a lot. All those controllers over there. That's a bunch of Nintendo 64 controllers, Sega, you name it. Y'all see it over here. A bunch of Sega Genesis over there. Look at all those Nintendos. Super Nintendos. GameCubes. A lot of, and this is not all of the consoles. I got a lot of them upstairs because I've been testing it. But hey, good thing, man. Every GameCube I've tested worked. Only thing that messes up on GameCubes a lot is the reset button. It gets stuck. But other than that, man, they work. A lot of Nintendo 64s work too so far. These right here I haven't tested. The Sega Saturns haven't tested. Then I still got some stuff like these. I mean, I got all kinds of stuff. But the garages, I got shelves for my garage. Y'all gonna see a whole different garage here in another week or two. All right. And here's some more controllers over here. Can you see my address? I don't know. If you can. I got a couple packages while I was on vacation that I want to open. Stuff that I ordered for myself. Nothing from anybody else. But just thought I'd open them on camera to kind of show y'all stuff what I'm interested in. And something I got for a great cause. And I wanted one anyway. And I just did it just because. So let's get into it real quick. Come on, Dave. Should have did this before. Family. Yes, sir. The OCP Cincinnati Picker coffee mug. I ordered off his Teespring account. He don't even probably know that I even ordered it, but a couple weeks ago, you know, with all this George Floyd and Breonna Taylor and stuff, Cincinnati Picker came out with a video on basically to raise money for the NAACP, and yeah, man, I bought one of these cups. And I like to, of course, support. And I'm a coffee drinker anyway, so let me see if I got any else. Oh, yeah, here we go. I just got, the last one I got was Roy's. Of course, I got a Commonwealth picker. I ain't got a line yet, though, man. He has sold out of his. So I'm going to have to try to grab one from, see if he got an extra or something somewhere. But yeah, there you go. Cincinnati picker. Let's open up his other package I got. Nice. It's an old Lamar Jackson. For those of y'all who know football, Lamar Jackson plays for the Baltimore Ravens, but he started here in Louisville, University of Louisville, of course, in college, and got the Heisman and all that here. So, of course, he's one of my favorite players, and to actually play here in my city is great. So every time he comes out with something, this actually came from, what are they called? Player Bobble. That's what it's called. I forget what it's called, but a place that makes bobbleheads. My God, I might I can open it. There we go. Lamar Jackson. Dope. And it comes with a case to sit on there. And it comes with, you know, I ain't gonna set it up now, but yeah, man, I just kind of want to, I like to show y'all what I'm into sometimes. And got old Lamar Jackson sitting on the University of Louisville Corknaburg. Shout out to Lamar Jackson, man. I hope they do big things this year. They're going to have a great team, Baltimore Ravens. So I'll definitely be watching, if football even the thing, if any sports is the thing this year. Because 2020, let's just throw it away because ain't nothing going on. So that's all I got going. Your boy's back. So stay tuned for the videos a little bit more regularly, every other day, 2 to 3 times a week, something like that. Because I got a lot to get through. I got a lot of stuff that I'm gonna be doing, and I'm gonna be doing a lot more with those too. Because your boy been selling a lot, and a lot of people be wanting to know what these games is going for, and that's what's really selling right now in these games, being that I have so many, and that's what I'm listing. So like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.